is impressive.
This is very impressive.
One of the neatest little things I got.
Basically, I'm using Visco fuse to connect them all in a series so that the show will start here and it will end here. And they will go off from the burst. Ending. The next one should be starting.
10 and a Q.
Just to make sure it all stays in place.
So we added a little more Visco past this, of the fast Visco. Connected halfway, took it from here to here, over this way, around this corner.
Across the top of each rocket's fuse. And make sure that it's touching the fuse of each rocket.
Then finally, what we do is we take these two alligator clips, and if you look very carefully, there's a nichrome wire, 31 gauge nichrome wire wrapped around, and this goes on and on and on. Actually,
Take into the box, make sure that the fuse is still pointing towards the middle. The black powder will cause all the shots in this cake to go off at the same time.
And all of our team shot rags. The racks were loaded with megaton quads. There's the U.S. Strikes Back fighter.
Each flying spinner can move freely and still has its fuse attached.
Each platform, we're going to start with board 1 across the front. The rockets will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and now what I've started to do is put some fireworks on the top of the wheel. Now what you put on here is up for you to decide.
Okay, so now we've got the box full, and we're going to use one long piece of green Visco fuse. Okay, once you have all that fusing done, then you just twist together any fuses that you have coming out of that box.
And then all these 200 grams I've kind of glued down here. Got some All-Star brand brothers. Here are the finale racks.